Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Okay guys, I'm coming to announce the date that I'm doing the live drawing. I will be doing a live drawing on YouTube, and it's going to be on Wednesday. Wednesday will be August the 3rd, and I will be doing the live around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So those of you who have not commented on my first video about the giveaway and asked me to put your name in the drawing, you won't be in the drawing. Even if you just commented, you have to comment and ask to be put in the drawing. I think I have one person that did not respond, that they commented and they did not respond to me asking that they want to put their name, in the drawing because they didn't ask. But anyway, it will be on Wednesday, August the 3rd, around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, for those that will be in the drawing, if you are not on the live, you will not get it. If your name is selected and you're not there, you will not, I'm sorry, but you will not get the bag. And I will spin the wheel again, and I will spin it again until someone names pop up that is actually at the live. So remember, the date will be August the 3rd around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will be posting this on my community post, on my community wall rather. I will be putting a post up about it on in the community area as well. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday, and good luck to everyone.